What's up, Deadbeats? Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate here. In this video, we're going to talk about high-paying affiliate programs. Programs that pay out up to $800. We're talking cash, baby. $800 per sale in affiliate commissions. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and if you're trying to build a passive income online affiliate marketing business from the comfort of your living room sofa, this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and then tick that bell icon so that you're notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Alright, so what I'm going to teach in this video just may be the difference between you making a few dollars per month and making a full-time income online doing the same exact stuff. Alright, so we're going to go through the 10 affiliate niche markets that you can tap into and earn serious money per sale. So the first one is debt consolidation, debt settlement, people that need any kind of debt repair, anything like that. So what I want you to do is go into Google right now, just type in something like debt settlement affiliate program. So you can go through the list here, there are many of them. Here's one up on the screen, just for example. I've not personally used this one, but this one pays $300 per sale. There's many others out there. All right, so just to give you some ideas of what you can do, head on over to the Google AdWords keyword tool and type in debt settlement or a keyword like how to get out of debt. So you're gonna see a big list of keywords here, and you're gonna build videos or create videos about debt settlement targeting these specific keywords. Now you can see there's a lot of search volume, and if you just factor in the conversion rates and all that, by the time they land on your site, we're talking hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day if you do this properly. All right, so the next category is gold IRAs. So what these companies will do will actually pay you a percentage of all the money that someone puts towards gold in their IRA account. So we're talking, I think it's like 2 or 3%. This can add up. So if you get a few rich people out there that are really gold obsessed and they buy $500,000 worth of gold, you can get 2% of that sale. So we're talking tens of thousands of dollars in potential per sale with gold IRAs. So one company you might want to check out, I just did a little bit of research about this yesterday, is Regal Assets. They have an affiliate program through, I think it's called Click Again. You can check that out. The next category, the next niche is binary options. Here you can make up to $800 per sale through various binary products. Now, I'm personally not a fan of this niche, but I know a lot of people in it and they're making a lot of money. So if this is something that you like, binary options might be something for you. The fourth niche is massage chairs. So these can run up to anywhere between $1,000 to $7,000, and various companies will pay you up to 7 or 8% in affiliate commissions for each one of these sales that you make. So a $7,000 chair at 7%, off the top of my head, I don't even know what that is. I'm gonna just do a rough, I'm probably wrong on this. It's like $350. Another random niche is private jet charters. So these are little rich people that want to charter a private jet. You can make about $300 per sale with this type of affiliate program. All right, next one on the list, I believe this is number 6. Don't count me on that, are cruises and luxury travel. So there are many programs out there, depending on what you can go with. We're talking $100 to up to $300 or even $500 per sale if you sell some of these big travel packages. All right, next one on the list, number 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't even know. And that niche is home security systems. So I did some quick browsing on this. I found various programs, some of them paying up to $300 per install of a home security system. Next on the list, I think this is a lot of potential in this, by the way, is legal injury, personal injury. So lawyers that are looking for personal injury clients. So you could target keywords to something like I got injured on the job, I got hurt while working on the job, something like that. Make YouTube videos about personal injury and forward them to these various law firms which specialize in this type of thing. So they actually pay per lead, so you can make $300 per lead. So all the person has to do is enter their email address, their contact information, and fill out the form that they provide, and you make $300. So they don't even have to sign up. They don't have to pay any money. All you need to do is get them to fill out the lead form. You can make $300 doing that. All right, next one. This is a niche I was planning to get into. I got sidetracked. I thought about this about a year ago. And this is elderly chair lifts. You know those little chair lifts that they install on steps so that elderly people can get up the steps? Those run about $8,000 to $20,000, and you get a I believe it's 5% commission through the various programs on CJ.com. So that really adds up. Let's just say it costs $10,000. That means you get $500 per chairlift that you're able to sell. And there is a ton of search traffic out there for the various chairlift keywords. And last but not least, this is a very, very big market, and that is industrial supplies, industrial equipment, things like those little bobcats. You can sell these on Amazon, and of course you get on Amazon, it's a 5.5% commission for any industrial product that you sell. All right, so we're talking big money here. You don't need to sell tens of thousands of items. You can literally make a full-time income doing this, just selling 5 to 10 of these sales per month. Now, it's actually just about as easy to sell these types of products as it is any other thing out there. Just because the item is more expensive doesn't mean that it's going to be harder to sell. You just have to target the right keywords and send them through the right process. So if you want to learn how to actually sell these kind of high ticket products and earn big affiliate commissions, check out my Deadbeat Super Affiliate System. Now I just have to warn you, my Deadbeat Super Affiliate System specifically specializes on Amazon.com affiliate program. However, you can quickly modify it to sell any of the high ticket items that I've talked about in this video. All right, so again, you can get this at deadbeatsuperaffiliate.com. Just go to my page and scroll down, click the order button and invest in the system, and you will learn everything that you need to know to sell these high ticket items as an affiliate marketer. Everything from doing keyword research to getting traffic to the offers to getting them to convert the highest rate possible so that you can potentially make this a full-time online business for you. All right, with all that said, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am releasing new content on affiliate marketing, make money online, traffic generation, SEO, and more. Hit that subscribe button and then tick the bell so that you're notified of any of the videos I release as I release them. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions about setting up high-ticket affiliate marketing campaigns. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and I'll see you deadbeats later.